backers, we don't compromise. Hustle hard or step back, that's how we rise. That's how we rise.
Welcome to the stream.
Lazy folks complaining, watch them wave goodbye. Got no time for excuses, that's just a lie. In this game of life, we aim for the sky. Stay over there if you ain't bout that grind. Weak minds, soft spines, left far behind. We build empires while you waste your time. This zone's for champions, the ones who shine. No Mitches allowed, we don't play that way. Every day we're grinding, ain't no time to play. You snooze, you lose, that's what they all say. In this no Mitch zone, we seize the day. No Mitches allowed, we don't play that way. Every day we're grinding, ain't no time to play. You snooze, you lose, that's what they all say. In this no Mitch zone, we seize the day. Bullet you, the challenge hustlers, our stories untold. Hard hitting truth, we're brazen and bold. Go getters only leave the weak in the cold. Go getters only. This is our anthem, our battle cry. No room for doubters. Do or die. Stay in your lane if you can't keep up. In this no Mitch zone, we're taking the cup.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. I had to wait for that bangers, and I hope I don't get copywritten. That was straight heat. That was straight heat. That was straight heat. Ooh wee. That was some straight heat, man. Say no meat zone. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know how that goes. You know how that goes. Dang. No mid zone. 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 Yeah. It's time. It's time. It's time. Oh, let's get it ready. Let's get it ready. Let's get it ready. It's gonna be a good stream. It's gonna be a good stream. You know, my streams got 3 parts. They're going 3 parts. So I got 3 parts to this stream. So first part is I just yap to y'all and kind of try to teach or just talk about some dealing with psychology. And then the second part is, I try to teach y'all. Actually, I got 4 parts. I got 4 parts to my stream. The first part is I gonna talk about what's going on and what psychology I'm feeling, and how my journey is going. Second part is I'm gonna teach y'all a little bit. Third part gonna go through what's going on in the market, and then the last part is I'm gonna be back testing. So let me get started with the teaching. So I know people on TikTok and YouTube already seen what I'm showing. So to get started into this title, let's get it. To get started in this title is my stream is about expectations. You can't see that. Let's go into diction. Let's zoom in, though. Let's zoom in. Oh, let's zoom in. Expectations. That don't look right. That don't look right. Let's go in. Expectations. And I want to talk about expectations. And I know my camera covers it, but you can see above here. So expectations is something we have a strong belief something will happen and or will be the case in the future. So trading is we are low key. Every time we trade, we have expectations something will happen. But the thing is about trading, we have a hard time figuring out what to expect. You know what I'm saying? We have a hard time figuring out what to expect. So psychology wise, like we are taught that if you can, be right, you get rewarded for being right. So, ain't gonna lie, that was a terrible start. I'm gonna start over. Yeah. Actually, I'm looking for this song. Dang. Okay. Expectations. What do we know about expectations? Expectation or assumption or belief or, a supposition. How do you even say that?
Presupposition.
Presupposition. A presupposition. Expectations is something we believe or a strong belief will happen or will happen. So I had a stream back about 3 days ago. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. How many weeks ago was it? Dang. Oh wow. It was cold feet. It was last month. And I talked about the harsh realities of expectations, but I'm not gonna lie. I might need to hold on. Move my camera though. Cause it's not right. Got it. Got over here. Doing a little work. I'm doing a little work. Sorry. I'm struggle streaming. Thing is about streaming, man, you can't have a second chance. Webcam. You fix that. You unlock it. You take it between here. Okay, got it. Because it looks like a lot of things I tend to show are on the right side. So let me lock that. Like that. Boom, 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 boom. That looks way cleaner. Dang, it's been a tough stream. I'm kind of nervous. I ain't gonna lie. I'm nervous. You know what I'm saying? I am nervous. And F it. I'm one take go, man. I'm about to start over because this is my stream and I can do whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. So to start again, you know what I'm saying? I'm struggle streaming. Get in my little chat. I can see who coming in. Do this. Hey, I'm gonna give you some likes. Man, thanks, bruh. Oh, I was struggling, my guy. Out here doing a struggle stream, But start off the beginning of my stream. Yeah. Hey, I should not have streamed. I should just went to bed. Hey, I can't speak, yo. I can't even speak, dog. I can't even speak, man. Dang, it's tough. I can't even speak, bruh. I'm going through it right now. But what I want to talk about. A little lower. Let me get in my frame a little bit. Okay. Dang. Again, this just chatting looks clean though. Hey, what's in with it? That's just chatting looks too clean. Let me lock all this stuff, man. All right. Oh, just chatting looks so clean. Oh, with that fire flame, cause it's the most fire stream in the goddamn world, man. Shit, show me some love. Thank you for the love. Dang, bro. I'm struggling. It's a struggle stream. Expectations. This is why I chose like this word expectations. We have expectations. My expectation for the stream, I don't want to hop on here and just drop straight bangers. But as soon as I got on here, I got a little nervous and then I just fumbled, over. Not just once. I just fumbled like 3 times. So managing our expectations. That's the title of our stream for real. That's the title of the stream. And expectations in trading is really tough. It's really tough. I have a book right here, man. It's called Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone. And it talks about our expectations. Like he has rules right here, bro. This is the best. This is the best. This is the best. Actually, let me just pull it up. Why am I showing you on the cam? Trading in the Zone, man. Trading in the Zone. Managing expectations, man. Managing trading expectations. Man. See, they're not gonna have it. Let me just pull it up. The image. It's a great book, audio book on YouTube for free. It's great. I ain't gonna lie, like it's a great book. It's a great book. Give it some love. Give it some love. But in this book, it talks about how we can manage our expectations. You know, it's more important to manage our expectations and sticking to our rules, right? So my theme of this live stream, I want to talk about expectations and the harsh realities of trading, right? Because we want to stay positive. I want to stay positive like forever, you know, like I want to stay positive, like, and like losses and pretend that losses don't affect me. But the harsh truth is I'm human and they affect me. I'm gonna open up. I'm trading on I'm trading on $1,000 account and I'm down 30%. And my expectations is I was probably gonna do better. But the harsh reality of trading is I need to manage my expectations and control my strategy. You know, sticking with my strategy. Like this is like, I think, bro, if I can find that, you have to learn how to manage our expectation. Because one thing I'm trying to do is I want to be a consistent winner, right? I want to build my edge. And one thing about building edges is that we have to stay consistent. And we have to stay consistent with managing our expectations and managing ourselves for real. Like trading, it's not about just managing our capital. That's what makes trading so hard and difficult for a lot of people, man. That's why a lot of people fail in trading, is that we're not just managing the capital, you know. I can pull up my rules that I wrote down. I can pull up my rules I wrote down for trading, you know. I wrote it in tips and tricks right here. Boom. As you can see, here are my rules, you know. Trading rules, trading plan rules, you know. And one thing I should have wrote in here, the 7th rule, is managing my expectations. I didn't, you know, because we expect, you know, to have a clean chart up. Like we expect to have a perfect returns, and I'm taking big risks. You know, trading is risky, and I feel like me personally right now, like where I am with my capital, I can either take three paths. I could reach my breaking point and give up, or I can just YOLO and just go crazy and have the satisfaction of losing it all, or I can just keep going and following my trading plan. So what makes trading hard? Why do 99%, I'm not saying 95%, lose and quit? Is because with trading, we have to manage more than our accounts. We gotta manage our expectations. We gotta manage our psychology. Gotta manage you gotta manage, you know, our charts too. We gotta manage those, because we cannot expect great results if we're not managing and giving ourselves that, that push, that resources that we want. So that's why I want to just talk about that, like, how expectations, and the hardest thing about managing our expectations is, let's say we have this straight great plan and not everything doesn't go according to plan. A lot of people tend to just crash out or just lose control and just go crazy. A lot of people just tend to lose control and go crazy. A lot of people go lose control and they go crazy because they can't handle the harsh reality that sometimes you might be doing everything right and end up losing. That's how tough trading is. You can do everything completely right and end up losing. But if we manage the expectation we have and know that we keep our expectations low and we stick to our strategy, we can end up winning every more trades. It could end up being more profitable. Let me take these headphones off. I'm gonna say that again. A lot of people end up crashing out when they have higher expectations, and when they don't meet those expectations, they either start breaking their rules in their trading plan, or they just end up giving up, and they'll never know. That's why 95% of traders lose, because they just don't want to manage their expectations and manage the psychology too, and manage the balances of life too. Because trading, like, that's the thing about trading. Your trading reflects your lifestyle. You're gonna have to manage your capital. You're gonna have to manage, how much you study, how much information you take in, what news you take in, how, manage your charts. But managing your charts is like, are you gonna, mark up your charts from last week and still trading with old analysis you made on your technical analysis side, or you haven't looked at fundamentals, you haven't looked at no news, and especially if you're trading something, you have to put in that time to trade, to make that that bread. You gotta put in the work. And what's funny about trading is you can do all those four things I just mentioned, and you can still lose. Like, you can still lose. You can be managing your capital correctly, risking the right amount, watching, updating your chart analysis on time. You can be looking up news. You can be trading your strategy, and we're all doing everything right and still lose. That's what makes trading difficult and hard, because sometimes you might think like you're doing everything correct and you're gonna still be losing, and it can be kind of defeating. And that's the hard truth. It could be defeating just knowing that I did everything correct and I still lost. Some people, to make themselves feel better, this is one thing I learned too. To make yourself feel better, some people go and reach out and try to educate themselves more on the market. But the market is simple. It's simple. If you keep the market simple, stupid, your chart analysis simple, stupid, it's easier for you to make the decisions if it's simple. But people go and overcomplicate, and then what makes it more sadder is they do everything right. They give it no chance, though. That's the thing. A lot of people don't give their strategy, their trading plan, their work they put in past the charts, like fundamental, reading on some articles, any chance. They don't give it a single chance. They'll probably give it, like, I'm gonna say 10 trades max at someone, and then after those 10 trades, they just give up and try to trade something else. They try to trade something else, and that don't work. They go research how to be a better trader. Then you go find more knowledge. Then you come back, and then you feel like you can now beat the market, but then you lose again. It's a never-ending cycle. We gotta learn to manage our expectations and know that we might do everything right and still lose. What's funny is, like, when I backtest live, you can go see my old older, views or older live streams, and you can see that I'm when I follow my rules, when I don't FOMO trade, I buy and sell at resistance and support. Like I could be doing the right thing and I'll lose. My win rate would be 50%. So to end that to in conclusion, I want to just say that trading is very difficult, but we have to be very honest about ourselves because the harsh reality of trading, this is what a lot of gurus not telling you out there when trading is that they're gonna give you great high expectations. This is good. They'll give you motivation to study, but when it comes to the real thing, you know, trading can chew you up, bump you on the head, but do not give up. Our expectations is to just not give up, to keep our accounts alive. I'm out here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I'm down 30% in the past 3 weeks following my trading plan. I want to throw this whole trading plan away, but I can't. I gotta manage my expectations. And one thing I know I did wrong is I definitely traded outside my strategy. I took some random trades, or I traded based off of what I thought would happen instead of seeing what the market was doing. That's how funny how our brain works. We feel like we are so smart. It's like this technical analysis sometimes is not good enough. That's what's crazy. That's how crazy our expectations are. It's like I'm looking at the market downtrending. Let me open up the video because this is what I was trading, and I'm looking at the market. If like you are a smart bear, smarter bear than me, you see like if we go back to November 20 end of November, end of February, we see that the market is clearly in a downtrend, right? From here, we broke lows, it's creating lower lows. But me knowing, okay, this earnings gonna drop, I'm gonna buy. I buy here. I feel like I'm a genius. I'll buy the knife, and it's gonna go through the roof. And then boom, market continues on its downtrend. Even though we saw some pullbacks, like we might see the continuation downward, right? We might see a continuation downward. Prices pushing back to the support. We have indication here. We have indication there. But let me not get distracted. Let me not get distracted. Me not managing my expectation, can be, I had high expectations, and it sucks like going on a losing streak. That's very tough for any trader, But I feel like this is good experience for me. I learned that, I'm not smarter than the market. Just trade what you see, don't trade what's on your heart, and no random trades. And then also today I took another loss. I literally bought and sold, and purely off of FOMO. Nothing told me it was okay to, like, there was no indication, like price was nowhere near support or resistance. I just bought just to buy. I just sold just to sell. And then also it's like I just had fear in my heart where I'm afraid to lose money because I'm already down 30%. How much more, And that's the harsh truth. Like, this is the trading reality. That's the trading reality we have to deal with. Is are we going to, like I'm on a losing streak. Like I'm hungry. I need a win. Shit, I'll take $100 win. I'll close that real quick. I'm not listening to my rule right here. I saw $100, didn't take the money. I saw a little profit, didn't take it because I thought it was not too big, and that's the harsh truth of trading, man. That's the harsh reality. In conclusion, we have to manage our expectations. We have to follow our plans. We have to put in the right work. Trading reflects our lifestyles. And no matter if we do all those three things correct, we will still lose. That's why managing expectations is important, because we might do everything right. The market just might not be in our favor, and we might just not be trading correctly. And just we got to be honest with ourselves. Maybe I just messed up. Maybe I'm not as good as I want to be at the moment. Maybe it's not my market either, too. That's another thing, too. Sometimes you might be trading in the wrong market or the wrong time periods. And that's the honest truth. I had to get on that. But today, after expectations, but I'm about to do a little teaching. I'm going into my second part of my I'm gonna go into the second part of my stream. Let me take a little break though. Let me take a little break because I need to kind of take a little cooler. I'm about to play a little beat though. But hopefully everybody's doing good, man. Hopefully everybody's doing good. I appreciate, all the people who dropped the likes and came through. Trading is not easy. Nothing we do is easy. Nothing like rewarding in life is, easy. Nothing rewarding in life is easy. Nothing rewarding in life is easy, man. Let me play some. Dang, I had a fire beat. I lost that beat already. It is what it is, though. I had a fire beat. I'm gonna pick you. All right. That's my little transition music. I need to have some transition music. But I'm about to give you a little quick lost song. Dang, Moneymaker. I ain't been on Moneymaker in a long time. Okay. Let's go to watch list. I ain't been on Moneymaker in a long time. So I'm about to teach today about support and resistance. Support and resistance. If you see my videos prior, you probably know that I pretty much use support and resistance. It helps me kind of see where the market is heading. It kind of helps me kind of gauge where the stock is, the trend. It helps me gauge where the stock trend is heading. And one thing about support resistance, it just shows, if prices, it just makes it easier for me to mark higher highs and lower lows. And price tends to, respect supports and resistance. That's why I mark it up every chance I get. And price, can break support and retest it and continue downward, or price can break resistance and retest it and continue upward. So when price is breaking resistance constantly, but let me before I get into support, let me just talk about simple market structure. So think about prices. Price doesn't go straight up or down. Price literally moves in a staircase format. So let me click that. So price moves in a staircase format. For example, here, like we see price is not going up or like straight up. You know, I wish price moved like this more often, but that's not the harsh reality. For the most part, price goes in a staircase format. That's pretty good. Price moves in a staircase format. So another good indicator that we're in an uptrend, price will make higher highs and lower lows. So higher highs and lower highs. So boom, the price breaks these, and best indication of this is that we are in a uptrending market. So if it was the opposite, price would create lower highs, lower lows if we are in a downtrend. So thinking about trading is really good to try to gauge our it's really beneficial on your end, on our end, to gauge the trend. And knowing where knowing where the market is moving helps us a lot. So gauging our higher highs, lower lows. So there's either there's three ways market can be moving. Market can be trending up in a bull market, or down in a bear market, or price can be consolidating. We don't want to trade during consolidation. And let me show you an example of consolidation. Thing is about NVIDIA, it doesn't, okay, here's a good example of consolidation right here. This period right here, even right here, price is consolidating, where targets, we're not even breaking through the lows, the all-time lows or highs. And trust me, when the stock is consolidating, your win rate will get cooked. You do not want to trade. Don't trade through consolidation. Don't trade through this. This is called consolidation. Consolidation right here. You don't want to trade through consolidation. It's gonna ruin your win rate. We want to trade during an uptrending market, like right here. Price is creating highs, creating lower lows, creating new highs, lower low, and then new highs, lower lows. This is a crazy high, but then we started consolidating right here. Not good. Not good at all. We do not want to trade through this consolidation. So we try to stay away from consolidating markets. They are not fun. Video looks like was consolidating right here for a while. And we saw a breakthrough, which is good. Saw a breakthrough. And then market continued downward. One thing I want to note is that where do I put my support and resistances? Where do I put my support and resistance? And why is support and resistance good? I think support is good, resistance is good to kind of give a new way of looking at our market structure, and to see that their price is wants to indicate it wants to go on the upside. So when we're trading, one thing that I like, when I'm trading, what I look for is that price is breaking above and getting comfortable, being above certain resistance and supports. So right here, I have a trained eye where I've backtested so many times that I have gotten used to, automatically seeing, okay, we have resistance support here. And as we trade too, like one thing that makes trading really, 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 really nice, if we get, if we can control our emotions. Okay, trading like itself, like if you look at it, it's not as difficult, but we have so many emotions that get in our way to think straight and think logically. We tend to make the wrong choice because we're trying to be smarter than the market, and we cannot be smarter. You got to give respect to the markets and whoever manipulates the charts and stuff, because whoever manipulates it is, has done a good job keeping 95% of traders, dead broke or losing all the money. This support right here, boom. So boom, I love this support and resistance. So resistance is where price fails to break through, and usually it's an indication that sellers are running weak, and it indicates a what's it called, like a price hitting the ceiling. So for the most part, when we are looking for resistance and support, it's good to market, at a good level. So as you can see here, price was why I named this support, because price, every time it came below here, price tended to bounce off of it because it was supporting the price, and then resistance is the roof. And if we're in an uptrending market, price wants to break through the roof and keep going up. And this support was really strong. It held tight. So, and then eventually we saw the market continue upward and break through the top. And then right here, if you can see clearly that we've had another support. Think about market structure. We look at support like this, and then I can just bring this here. This is what I'm pretty much looking for. Boom. And we're trying to get in. For the most part, we're trying to get in when we see indication above the support, or if we were in a opposite market, a downtrending market, we want to get in below the resistance, or below the support. Above the resistance when we're in an uptrending market. But right now, it's looking like price broke. The support, we had a small indication here. And then one thing I gotta let y'all know is that trading is a very patient game. You know what I'm saying? That's why trading is also hard. Is like, oh, you gotta be patient. You gotta wait for your setup. You can. That's why you can look at multiple. You can look at multiple stocks. You can look at multiple stocks, but I say be patient. Create alerts. and trust in your system. Create a system around trading. If you want trading to work for you, you have to create a system. When every time you go into the chart, you have to be looking for the same thing. So I taught y'all support and resistance because every time I open a chart up, no matter what time frame, I'm looking at where the support and resistance is because that's my system. That system has worked for me. I'm comfortable with that system. You can either look at different things. You can add indicators. You can add your indicators. Oh, I don't have the indicator on here. You can have your indicators. You can have indicators on here on the chart to help you. You can have pivot points to show high lows of the markets, to give you more confirmation. But I feel like I love seeing a booty butt naked chart with a few lines on it, and it helps me, make trading a little simpler, making my decisions simpler, and just being aware and being alert. That's one thing trading also requires you to do. I know once you get into your trade, you can relax and you can get your end results end of the week. But that's the important part about trading is we have to be aware. We have to be on our game. We have to be locked in. You know what I'm saying? But that's a little lesson, I wanted to teach. Let me screenshot that actually because I was very, very clean. Ain't gonna lie. Why did I mark up this chart better than I have the one I trade on? I don't know. When you're in a teaching mood, when you're in a teaching zone, when you're in a teaching zone, when you're in a teaching zone. And then also, excuse me. Also, support resistance helps me know where to buy, where to buy and when to sell. Also, another thing is indication indication above the resistance or support can show where our targets are. It's easier to find our targets when we have good indication and good targets. So, being noble traders like we are, we could have, if once price got underneath here, we would have been like, all right, but we would have, like I said, let me give you an example of doing the right thing and still losing. That's how important and how mentally strong you got to be with trading because you could have done the right thing, sold right here and still not have gotten the, your confirmation. So on initial, let me say it all over. Our initial breakout is usually our target levels, from the support and resistance level. So our initial breakout is our target levels. So being a patient guy, price did not break out and you didn't FOMO, a lot of people probably buy right here because they're FOMOing. Being a noble trader, you buy here, but this initial breakout above this resistance on a daily is our target, and target was hit. But then we saw once target hit, price reversed down underneath the resistance. It came back above, and we entered above the resistance again. Our target is this old resistance. Boom, goes again. Now it goes back to retest. Look, you're the one. If you're a patient trader, you're the one. First trade, second trade, and then the last trade. 3 trades in a row, and you'll be on a winning streak. Instead of talking about expectations, you're gonna be talking about which G wagon you want to buy. And sense mate. So trading. Also, let me also show you that you can trade without. You can trade. You can take good trades and still lose. So same example like I showed you prior. We saw this is our initial indication below the support. Price, kind of close. Let's say right here, close underneath support. Let's say you sell, expecting, a small little, gap. and you lose that trade. Thing is about you took the right trade. You sold underneath support, but you still got diced up. It still went against you. And then right here, I don't know if you. This is a crazy gap. Some crazy news drop. This is about DeepSeek. You wouldn't haven't gotten a chance to get in. And then let's say another thing that's really important is to know that don't sell right here because you think you're FOMOing. A lot of FOMO comes in from right here. I know a lot of people start selling because of the FOMO, but for the next few days, market gas back up, and then look, this is our opportunity to get in right here, and then it's another opportunity. We see price break above the support and go below support again. We sell, a little retest and the continuation, and we hit this target. First target, second target, and then we just continue to, and that's how trading works. This is on a higher time frame. So one thing I wanted to let you know is that the higher your time frame, the more the more the higher your time frame, the longer your opportunity is, and the shorter your time frame, the shorter your opportunity is. But now there's more opportunities because we see more supports and resistances on a shorter time frame. And I train my mind. You got to train them. We got to train. We're mechanical. Human brain is a mechanical thing where we look at it. I look at it like boom, Modi, like looking at my support right there. But thinking if you're looking at it as a market structure, support just helps me guide me when to get out, when to buy. And then right here, would have lost on this. Let's say we bought right here. We saw a little, movement. The price would have gapped down. But we saw this gap up, buy above the resistance. It's the hourly resistance. Target would have been met. And sometimes I like buying, at the initial breakout of the resistance. And the thing is, the tricky part about buying when it's on initial breakout, we don't know where the market gonna gas out above the resistance. That's why sometimes it's good to be patient and wait for that certification, for it to be certified, and let the market show how high the initial the indication. Let the market indicate. You can buy an indication, but you never know when it's going to turn around. And it's going to be a little scary. Yeah. Oof. Man. I think I'm entertaining, man. Give me a like too, man. Subscribe. Give me some love on my YouTube channel for sure. Hold on, let me grief for a little bit, man. Let me grief, man. Go show some love, man, to my YouTube channel, bro. Go show some love to my YouTube channel. Show love, man. Go give Uganda Trades a like. Give me a like. I'm gonna give myself a like right now, man. Cause nobody do this like me. Bro. Why is it not live? Like. I'm gonna give myself a like right now, man. And give myself a like. Nobody do this like me. I don't know why it's not playing up on my phone. It's not vertical. Whatever. Not whatever. Sound like me click on it. Anyways, managing our expectations. Touch y'all a little bit. You know what? Let me mark up the orange list. Boom. What is the orange list? This is the Magnificent Seven. These stocks hold 28% of the U.S. market cap. So I'm gonna mark up one by one, and I'll probably go through the financials of one. I feel like it, because you know me, Tesla's getting cooked right now. And then what's funny, I think that's really, really important too to realize is that we have to when we are trading, we have to be very vigilant on looking for the next opportunity, right? Looking for the next opportunity. I don't see any opportunities on the hourly. I mean, on a daily candlestick, even on a weekly. I don't even see it for real. So that's why it's good to refresh your charts too. It's good to have cleaner charts, refreshed. We had a support level right here. Price decided to turn around at this level. I'm gonna make it a key level. I'm gonna make it a 4-hour level. Do this. Boom. Let's make it 1 hour too. Get more details. The price held at this level. At the support level. Let me our support over right here. Then I think this was our biggest resistance point right here on the hourly. This is where the hourly resistance. So you asked me why am I not, marking this up? Well, it's too late now. Like we missed all these old supports and resistances. What's the point of marking it up to make our chart look prettier? No, our job is to, we're trading for the future, not trading for the past. So what's the point? If you want to practice your marking up, go ahead and mark up some old charting. It's good to look at it, but I'm trying to mark up and catch the next trade, the next opportunity. Is Tesla gonna bounce back after Mr. Trump was in the Tesla's riding with Trump? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. See, look, it's that easy. Before I could have been like this. What's funny about this? This little boom. Look at that. This was on. This was on a little. This was the indication below the support. That was the indication below the support right there. Then price, came back underneath support and continued downward. Look at that, boom. So even right here, we got a little baby, and with a price break above this, I would like to see that. You know what? I'm gonna leave an alert. Add an alert. So I'll get alerted. This is also good if you want to trade. Is price gonna cross this 262 price level? And then let's clear this right here. This is in a video. Let's go on a daily. On a weekly, we're doing a top-down analysis. We'll start from the weekly. So we, starting this week out a little strong. We had 3 weeks of straight losers, but it can be like that sometimes. We broke this low right here, this 1400 level. Like price respects this level though. Low support level. We haven't been back to 91 since August. So that's something to look out for. That's something to look out for. But we could probably see a big bounce in the next coming up days for sure. Never sleep on the big tech company NVIDIA. what do I see here? See, like last time price was right here. Then kind of price rejected this level right here in the 4-hour. If we go into the hour, get more detail. This is our resistance right here. Resistance right here. Price definitely better break that level and then continue downward. But like I said, it would be great if I get indication of such level right here. Add me an alert. That's I'm gonna start trading. Just put an alert there. You know, the video crossing that level. You know, it would be a great time to buy here and see some push up. And then also managing our expectations. You know, if that does end up going, but also we have indication below the support level right here. You know, price can, let's say tomorrow, price comes back to the support and crosses it. It's a good time to buy. So, you know what? Just had a boom. I might put in some sales there. Easy as that. Easy as that. Let's go back to the 1 week analysis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 straight weeks. 1 doji week. Another doji week on its downside. So it could be a little recovery, but this is Google. It's looking a little funky. It's a little funky. And this chart looks crazy. This was like, if I was a trading man at a time, this is Google just be going crazy, but we have our let me get out of there. Yeah, that's the old, you know, it's good. Sometimes it's good to look at the old stuff, get, you know, how crazy price action can be, how price can move crazy. But I respect it. I respect it. All right. Currently, no good resistances. Let's go back an hourly though. I'm gonna say last time price was at this 170 level, price gapped up to this level, and we had a resistance level right here. It's like my mind is so trained to find this, you know. And want to be good as me, you just gotta practice, ain't gonna lie, you know. And want to be a better trader than me. A lot of people can be. We just gotta. I got all the knowledge. I just don't have the emotional, withhold. You know, emotional maturity, emotional discipline to not FOMO trade or just see a price continues down here. But also, let me have an alert right here. Boom. Okay, and then I'm gonna 1 week, 11 week. Wow, 1 week. Amazon. I'm gonna lie. Amazon had this weekly resistance. I'm gonna put it right here. So 1W resistance. Thing is, you don't gotta find a support, you know. And Amazon had this right here. Be honest with it. at a 1 week report. So zoom in on the daily. Look at that. Price is breaking these levels. Look, wanted to buy and get in. This is the initial indication. Get some indication. Then you bought here. It's been a crazy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days of profits. But to effectively trade that, you must have good. I'm saying the same thing here. Let me hide this. Price is at this 1 hour resistance. Boom. Boom. Support. So I mark up my charts the same every time because I have my strategy. I have my I have my keys. The key things I look for every time I look up at a chart. I look at same things no matter the hourly, the daily. Even if I was on a candlestick, you put up these lines, look. Resistance. Look, I can trade on lines, man. Shout out candlesticks, man. Whoever sold us candlesticks. We can trade on lines. Low key, liking how Amazon's looking. Sir Amazonian. Future target level maybe. Amazon. Put it up right here. Little indication maybe. Broke below it. Are we gonna continue upward? Let's get an alert here. Then I don't care about the support. Amazon looking pretty good. How about Apple? Apple. This is not financial advice. Read the description. This is not financial advice. Okay, cool. Apple getting green pie cooked. Okay, let's go on a 1 week chart. 3 terrible days for Apple, but and I'm looking at these resistance level right here. Finally broke through, failed to make indication at this 250 level. Boom. Pretty good. This is also indication too. But that's on a weekly though. I'm just marking up all the charts, man. 1 week support. Hey, man. On a daily. Look at that. Earnings dropped. B earnings 5%. Revenue 1 point. B revenue by 1.5%. Pretty good. Pretty good Amazon. I mean Apple. So now we're looking for a shorter time frame play. Boom. Let me hide this. One-hour support. Boom. And price is currently underneath this hourly support. We'll like to see what happens with Apple. Now Meta. I only got 2 drawings up here. Crazy. Boom. We have our core level. Ooh, Meta was at $700. God darn. Everything's on sale, man. Everything's on sale. Boom. Call this the 1 day support resistance, whatever, daily resistance right here. Broke through. One day distance. Oh my. Then one day support. Clean with it. Clean. All right. Brace is bothering me. But to get, let's look for a shorter time frame opportunity. Okay. Breaks above resistance. We might fly. Might see better plays, man. Might see better plays. Boom. It's our alert right there. Buy opportunity. First target. Right there. Finally, dang. Oh, do I have to even do this, bro? I probably already did this. Oh yeah. It's already done for me. Boom. Boom. Prices way underneath support. Not good. Oh no. Prices underneath support. We are on a downtrend. Unless proven otherwise. That's all I can show. That's all I can say. Let's see. Let's look for a smaller time frame opportunity. Let's see. Microsoft. We're seeing some consolidation here at this support level we made. Boom. Boom. Just looking clean with it. Got the resistance level right here. Have our resistance level. Then we have our support level. I want to see market clear that. Just clear that mess. But let me show y'all a video right quick. YouTube. Go subscribe to my channel, man. I'm live, man. Poser. He has a great short, man. I love this short.
The Magnificent Seven are 7 tech
The
companies
Magnificent
which
Seven.
make up 28% of America's total market capitalization as of 2025.
Total
They're
market
magnificent
capitalization.
because in 2024, over half of the entire S&P 500's growth was from these 7 stocks alone, which made millions of investors a lot of money, but also leaves the US stock market in a scary situation, being more concentrated in one industry than at any other time in recent history. But which country has the most concentrated stock market? France's top 5 luxury goods companies make up 37% of its stock market. It's a bit higher for Portugal's top 2 energy companies at 39%. And the Samsung Republic itself has 46% of its value in its 5 largest tech stocks.
The Magnificent
But
Seven
you won't
are
find
7
the
tech.
real concentrations unless you look at the stock markets dominated by a single company. Argentina has Mercado Libre at 52%, Denmark has Novo Nordisk at 53%, and Taiwan has TSMC at 57%. Then, tied for first place at nearly 2/3 of their country's value stuffed into one company are Saudi Arabia with Saudi Aramco and the Czech Republic with Ches. The Magnificent Seven.
Ches. What is Ches? Look up Ches. I wanted to put that there, man. This is the Magnificent Seven. Should rename this. Goddamn. Can I rename this? Can't. All right. Let me start back testing, put my knowledge to the test. And that's what I do, man. Just consistently doing the same thing, train yourself, manage our expectations. With managing our expectations, this will lead us to not FOMO our trades. With managing our expectations, it will lead us to not FOMO our trades and not over leveraging. Because let's say we lose a couple trades, if you have certain expectations, you're gonna tend to start just lose control. And trading is more than just trading what's on the chart and what's on the account. Trading is more about managing, our expectations, managing our thoughts, what I want to see in the market. Okay. So I'm literally gonna do the same thing I just did for the other things. So price had 2 rough days, but we had a bullish engulfing. Oh, this is weekly on this. This is on a weekly, on a daily. So we definitely had a few good days. So is the trend going to continue to break above, I can't call this a resistance. Can it? Let's go on a 4-hour. Let's go on a 4-hour and see. Too many green candlesticks. Let's see. Okay, it was it's a resistance right here. You had a resistance. Price broke above it. I don't like the support. Nope. Yep, right here. Wide support. Wide support resistance. We don't trade between these levels. Yeah, a little indication below. Let me mark it. Oh, I'm back testing. Let me start my timer. I'm about to start back testing, do my thing. After this, I'll be out of here, and I'll let y'all be. I know y'all entertained for the past hour from me. World's best entertainer. Yeah. Got a support level right here. We broke above the resistance. Let's see if price continues. Buying above resistance. Oh yeah, let me write my rules too. Buy above. Dang, can't spell. Resistance. Sell. Below support. Sell below support. Don't. No FOMO. All right. Good to have some rules when we back test. Ooh, my butt is killing me. Sheesh. Back testing. You know, one thing about back testing, we get to put our knowledge to the test. And we get to put what I preach to the test too. So I'm gonna manage my expectations. I don't expect to make the most money, but I wanna follow my 3 rules here. This is what, backtesting needs. Ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna buy above the resistance, you know what I'm saying? I'm a gambling man, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of FOMO because I have no indication, but let's see what happens. Ooh, who do you know? Who do you know? The first trade goes instantly in profit. Ooh, okay. I don't like that. I'm gonna secure 500. You know what I'm saying? That's one of my rules, man. Take the money, take the money, take the money. It's going down. It's going down. Ooh, yo, dang. That's one thing that sucks. Price gapped up overnight on Monday, but it went into our no trade zone because market can do. Why do we not trade here? Because the market can. It's indecisive between these levels, and it's very finicky. Like right here, like we have no strong. There's no strong indication. There's no way that market wants to. But I got caught trading the initial breakout. It is what it is, though. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh no, no! Forgot to sell. Got to sell below the market. Got to sell, yo. Dang, I got wicked out. It is what it is. Damn. Price is still below the support. I'm gonna sell because I'm in the sellers club, managing my expectations. What's my expectations? I ain't got no indicators either. Dang, a fall, damn it. So annoying. There we go. There we go. Dang, bruh. Dang, my expectations. Manage your expectations. Managing my expectations. I don't care. Got the dub. That's a good trade. Could close out for some more, but watch it continue downward. I'm telling you, man. I'm literally following my rules. No trade zone. I'm really trading below. I'm really selling below and buying above resistance. Now, let's see what happens. Really don't care no more. Oh, okay. Okay. And I'm back again. See. If we're gonna not talk about this right here. I'm talking about it because I see it. Price is very indecisive in this area. This is a no trading zone. No trading zone. You don't trade in between that. But I see that price is resisting above this level. Where's my support at? Where's my support all over there? Oh, support. Are we going to continue to go down the downtrend, or are we going to see some breakthroughs? Okay, price initially broke through, and we're at a $300 level. See how good price holds it up. You have a crazy wick. Price is underneath support. Wick City. Where are we? Wednesday at 1 p.m. Not an ideal time to trade, but hey, sold underneath under support though. Let's go though. Ooh, who trade better than me? Nobody. But hey, man, I'm just happy to be here though. Just happy to be here, show you how trading is possible. And we on this downtrend, this beautiful downtrend. We are on a beautiful downtrend. Price is trending downward. Let's go on a 4-hour. Rhyming accidentally. I don't mean dentally. Take your ass to the dentist. Sort of need support. Crazy wick though. Crazy wick. 1 p.m. That was sold at the wick below support. Price paid us well. See what happens. But it's gonna be an initial indication. The price size not too fickle around this level. Oh yeah, it wants to continue downward. Dang. Oh, my trade could have been way better. And you know what? Ain't nothing wrong with having money in the pocket, you know? And that's all I needed. Let's get this popping. I love that price bounce right here. Created a little support area and a little resistance. Zoom in, make it more clear. Make it more clean. Okay. Boom. Boom, as you can see, we are underneath support currently. Do I want to sell? Nah, I'm not gonna FOMO it. See what happens. Price pushes up. See some red. I'm gonna let this one flow. Okay. We are in the no trading zone. It's the no trading zone, you know. Telling ourselves to not trade underneath this level. In this level. We'll take a little 1, 2. Damn, I haven't enough. Like a 1 to 3. Hey. Dang. Hey, I'm just following my rules, bro. I'm just following my rules. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating, bro. I am not cheating. I'm just literally following the great old rule, bro. Buying above resistance, selling below support. And like I taught earlier, like just following the rules. Gotta follow the rule. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. I didn't FOMO that price went underneath. I'm just waiting for to show me some indication that price wants to, you know what I'm saying, move around, do something, and price just pays me. Like, it's easy. Well, it can be easy. I'm not gonna say it's easy. Let me not lie, because this is only back testing. When you in the real game, the emotionals come in. That's when the real play. That's when you know it's real. And when actual consequences, I'm back testing. I'm so comfortable back testing. Athletes, when they practice, they're so cool. They can hit crazy threes, but when the game comes, it's much different. You can't. The stakes are higher. Stakes are higher. That's the difference between great and legendary players. They show up when it matters, and we got to be legendary to be a great trader. We got to show up when it matters most. Every single time in the chart, we got to think of ourselves like Michael Jordan, because he showed up when it mattered. Every time in the finals, he had to show up and drop buckets, sick or not. Blue game, show up. He had to show up. We have to be the GOATs of the freaking stock market. We have to show up when it matters. But also, we can't forget about practice. Like, I'm practicing right now. And I love practicing. Look at this support resistance, just printing my money. I'm on a downtrend. Other, unless then I'm seeing continuation. Oh, that's another good thing too. If I want to start buying above resistances, I want price to start making higher highs. But below, right now, we're making lower lows, local lows. So if you see price create some higher highs, we can definitely start buying. But right now, I'm a seller market. Broke above the resistance. I mean, the price just broke above the support. It's in the no buy zone. No FOMO. You see some breakout occur. No FOMO. No FOMO. No FOMO. That's all I gotta say. No FOMO. Because if you buy here, you just putting your capital at risk. I learned my lesson right here. Buying right here, or I bought right here. I didn't break even, but when market close and your account's still open, you putting yourself at risk, especially going against a roll. This is when the third come in. No FOMO. Okay, now it's Thursday. One thing I like too is that price did not break this low right here. Price did not break that low. Mm -mm. And yeah, one candlestick. Man. Price is rejecting the hell out of that area. I see some more play. 1 to 5. Damn. I guess today I'm just on fire. Today I'm just on fire. Backtesting. None of y'all gurus backtest. No trading zone. No trading zone. Could buy, I could sell. You know what? I'm not gonna trade it. Not recommended. But I'm not gonna risk too much. Probably gonna come back right here. Yep. Prices coming back to resistance. Are we gonna finally break this old resistance after gathering some money on? I don't know. I'm a bandwagon. I'm a bull bandwagon. Let's go this scamp. Hey, nope. Damn. That's some whole shit. Oh no. Could have been instant profit. Oh, yeah, dang. Either way it is, cannot be upset. No FOMO. See how this old resistance hold up. Damn. It's gonna go do it like hair in the comb. Oh yeah. You got a T. Okay, okay, okay. You see. I stopped here. I'll call this a support right here. Stop it. your old ass back. Back. And close below. Now we're gonna close below. It's 800. This test is old. I don't know. Damn. Never mind. Oh, buying and selling below support. I got paid back for my old endeavor. A. Hey. You gotta celebrate your wins. Oh yeah. Another rule is celebrate your wins, man. Celebrate the small, big wins. You gotta celebrate. Break. Your wins and losses. We gotta celebrate. Now we back in the gauntlet. I'm gonna use this as my indication right here. I ain't gonna lie. Go. Then come back. You. Boom. Yeah, it here. Let's get 6,000. Wow. Wow for 3,000. Wow. Yeah, I cooked. Fell again. This time I risk about the same amount. 2,000. Wow. Because, oh yeah. I'm gonna mark this indication right here. Boom. Boom. Whoa. Weakness. All right, it's my last sell right here. This one doesn't work out. I'm out of there. Not good. Not good. Took the right trades, it just didn't work out. And that's expectations, baby. That's the harsh truth of trading right there. Yep. You know what? Old support is redundant. Old line, all support is redundant. Time for new support. Because I'm taking losses, filling my account on old ass support resistances. Then that's a new boy in town. Get out of here. Boom. No trade zone. Prices consolidating. We're gonna go above or below it. Above or below it. I'm gonna take one more trade and I'm gonna be out of your hairs. Darn. No FOMO. No FOMO. Above the resistance. My last trade for the day. Yeah. Let it out. Oh yeah. You know what, guys? Let me hit it one more. Yes. Yes. Oh, darn. Anyways, 40% win rate, guys. Not too bad, not too shabby. Did it live. I want to see y'all favorite traders' win rates. Wait, they don't have any. I've been backtesting for 71 days in a row. 71 days. I can't keep the row because I ain't gonna lie. I was on vacation. But boom. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. No FOMO. But thank God for everything that you've done for me. And I am grateful to be here and be able to provide you with some great content. I'll be dropping shorts and TikTok based off of this live stream. Hopefully I can find some quality clips. Yeah, definitely gonna drop more backtesting clips, more knowledge clips. So be watch out for those. Drop me a like, give me some follows. Yeah. Uganda trades out of here. Stream has ended. Get yourself in bed and pray to God. In God's name I pray, amen.